Hey guys, my name is Rowan. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I'm originally from Lebanon.
Hi, my name is Chantel and I'm a registered dental assistant. I also do dental reception.
Hi, I'm Ross. I'm 55 years old. I've been working the same position, same job for the last 14 years.
I worked as a nanny and now a business owner.
Hi there, my name is James.
And I am Gigi.
And we are from the Philippines. Mabuhay!
My name's Matt. I'm 29 years old from Ottawa, Ontario, and I'm a truck driver.
Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm 41 years old and I come from the corporate world environment.
Hey everyone, my name is Heidi and I'm a stay-at-home mom.
I'm a full-time employee and at the same time a business owner.
It's Nina, and I am originally from Nigeria. Currently, I work in the corporate world.
My name is Brooke. I'm a 37-year-old mother to two wonderful boys. They're 4 and 2. I used to be a full-time bank teller, and my husband is currently a truck driver.
I'm Jetta. I work as a part-time healthcare aide, and I work also as a casual disability support worker.
I come from the social services industry for so many years.
Good day, this is Michelle here from Winnipeg, Canada.
Hello, my name is Heidi and I presently live in the US. I work in a hospital in the inpatient therapy department.
Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm 47 years old and I'm a dental assistant.
I'm Susie. I'm a working mom with a career in the mental health field.
I'm a certified dental assistant working in Canada.
After 39 years of working in the land development business as a draftsman, I've been laid off.
And I realized that I don't have to settle for the norms. That 9-to-5 grind does not have to be my reality. I don't have to live for the leftover scraps of evenings and weekends anymore. That's not for me and my family.
And I have looked high and low and finally found something that I was looking for and more.
I am done following orders.
And that's when I came across this amazing online opportunity that allows me to be my own business owner. But even though I own my own business, I'm not in it by myself. I have an amazing support team.
This opportunity has changed my life in ways that I never thought possible. I'm so excited about it. It's giving me the opportunity to spend more time with my family and my kids, and it's given me the motivation and the encouragement that I can do whatever I put my mind to.
I can't put it into words. This is so exciting.
Not only does this business run 24/7 while I'm sleeping or while I'm at my 9-to-5 job, it also helps people to transform their lives in ways that are unimaginable.
The flexibility that it offers and the amazing support that this team offers me has helped me in so many ways in building my business.
It's all step by step, all plug and play. Anyone can do this. There's no selling, no inventory, nothing that you need to keep. So it's definitely an easy way to earn St. Mayhem and be home with your family.
And what I love most about this business, I was able to regain my self-worth and build this meaningful and beautiful connection with my family.
If it works for me, it will work for you too.
You can do it anywhere as long as you have a laptop, a phone, an internet. You can do it.
We work from the park, we work from the beach, we work from, I don't know, where else do we work from?
We work from the top of the tower.
Top of the tower.
ما تخافوا, هيدي البزنس 100% legit.
With the rate things are going and the tremendous success of different people who already took action, a year from now, you would have wished you started today.
So join na kayo!
Esta oportunidade mudou a minha vida e pode mudar a sua também.
I'm sure you must have seen plenty of ads on your social media and you're wondering, what is going on? Why am I seeing all that? It's because it's working. That's why you see a lot of people doing it. Why don't you check it out? There's nothing to lose. plenty to give.
No matter where you're from, what your background is, or your language, or your age, all that matters is that you're ready for a change that will change your life as a person, and you can help others do the same.
It's all moved online, guys. The results are there. It's undisputable. I mean, the banks did it, the telecom agencies did it, now the trucking industries are doing it. Yeah. The writing is on the wall, folks. Don't wait. Don't be reactive. Be proactive. This is your opportunity. Come and talk to us now.
All right. Click on the link above or maybe below, and we'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.